Self-awareness is a superpower. How to increase it? Hey champions, Dr. Meghna Dikshit here, and I'm so excited to welcome you to our channel. If you're ready to unlock the power of your mind and transform your life, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a new video. Today, we are diving into one of the most life-changing topics, self-awareness. Imagine living every day with clarity, understanding yourself fully, and making decisions that align with your true self. Stick with me till the end because I am going to share some powerful techniques in the end of the video to increase your self-awareness that will change everything. Before we dive into the tips, let me share a quick story. A lion king once made a rule that every animal in the kingdom had to tell a funny story. And if any animal didn't laugh, they would be banished. The rabbit told a hilarious tale and everyone laughed except for the donkey. The next day, the rule changed and a monkey told a sad story that brought everyone to tears except the donkey who burst out laughing. The donkey was reflecting on the rabbit's funny story and laughed about it later. What does this teach us? The donkey lacked self-awareness. He wasn't fully present in the moment. Lack of self-awareness can cause confusion, poor decisions, and missed opportunities. Let me know what you think happened in the comments. How often do you find yourself reacting automatically without thinking about your actions? Drop a comment below and let me know if you have ever caught yourself in autopilot mode during your day. So what exactly is self-awareness? Self-awareness is the ability to understand and recognize our own actions, thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. When we become aware of ourselves, we can align our actions with our values and make better decisions. It's all about knowing who we are, what drives us, and how we interact with the world around us. Here is the thing. 90% of the time, we go about our day in an automated state. We repeat the same habits, make the same decisions, and barely stop to think about why we do the things we do. To build self-awareness, we need to start paying attention to our internal world, rather than letting our subconscious dictate our actions. So pause for a second. How often do you stop and reflect on your day? Do you make time to check in with yourself? Type pause in the comments if you're starting to realize how much we live on autopilot. Now let's talk about the brain. Our anterior mid-cingulate cortex, which is responsible for regulating our emotions, plays a key role in self-awareness. Studies show that even infants as young as 15 to 18 months start to develop self-awareness when they recognize their own reflection in a mirror. Fascinating, right? Now that we have got a clearer picture of self-awareness, I'm about to share some powerful steps you can take to boost your self-awareness starting today. But before that, let's pause for a quick reminder. Stay tuned for the surprising twist I'm going to share at the end. Now let's get into the heart of it. How to increase your self-awareness? This is not just one-time fix, it's an ongoing journey. So step 1, awareness. Becoming aware of your own thoughts, feelings, and actions is crucial. A client of mine once came to me with relationship issues, saying her partner did not express love for her. She felt taken for granted. But as we dug deeper, she realized that she was the one being overly critical. A small mistake and she would nag him for days, creating a rift in their relationship. This is when she started becoming aware of her behavior. Once she did, she could see the impact of her actions and how she could shift her approach. This awareness led to real change. Now stay with me because in just a minute, I'm going to share a technique that you can use today to make this shift happen in your life. Trust me, it's simple but powerful. The step 2 is practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness is not just about meditation. It's about being mindful of how you behave and speak. What you say matters, and how it lands on the other person is equally important. Think about the last time you had a conversation with someone. Were you truly present or were you on autopilot? If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel so we can continue this journey of growth together. Also, let me know in the comments if you have learned something new about yourself already. Step 3 of self-awareness is journaling. One of the most powerful tools for increasing self-awareness is journaling. Write down your thoughts and feelings daily. When something troubling happens, pour it into your journal. This habit will help you unravel your thoughts and see patterns in your reactions. The more you journal, the clearer you will get about who you are and how you respond to situations. Step number 4 is self inquiry. Ask yourself deeper questions. When things don't go as planned, take a moment and ask, what could I have done differently? Was there a better way to handle this situation? Reflecting on your own actions will bring more awareness to your behavior and thought processes. Step number 5 is to seek feedback. Feedback is a gold mine when it comes to self awareness. Ask people around you for constructive feedback, whether it is a colleague, a friend, or even a mentor. Their perspective can help you see yourself in ways you might not have considered. Step number 6, healing your past traumas. Here's something that might surprise you. Most of our actions are driven by unconscious patterns. Our past experiences, beliefs, and even traumas shape how we act and interact today. But once we start becoming aware of those influences, we can actually begin to change them. That's the real magic of self-awareness. It's the gateway to transformation. Our past experiences shape our beliefs, which then form the patterns we live by. To build self-awareness, it is crucial to heal your past traumas. Think about the beliefs you hold. Where did they come from? Did a past experience mold them? Healing from the past will help you break old patterns and move forward with clarity. You might be surprised to learn how your emotions are actually linked to your self-awareness, and I will reveal exactly how that works in just a moment. So stick around. Step number 7, develop your emotional intelligence or EQ. Self-awareness also involves understanding and managing your emotions effectively. A self-aware person knows how to recognize and regulate their feelings. You don't let your emotions control your actions. Instead, you respond with empathy and awareness. So now it is time for you to take action. Here is a fun challenge for you right now. Close your eyes for 30 seconds. Take a deep breath and ask yourself, how am I feeling in this moment? Then come back to the video, comment your answer, and let's see how many of you can truly tune in to your present state. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a little more self-awareness in their life. Check out for the links in the caption. Be sure to sign up for my masterclass where I will guide you through these powerful techniques and more. Also, grab a copy of my book You Matter on Amazon, where I share step-by-step tools for living your best, most abundant life. Thank you for watching, and remember, you matter. Keep shining, keep reflecting, and keep growing. I'll see you in the next video where we continue on the journey of unlocking your true potential.